This is the 70th Senior Men's Kabaddi National Championship, which is going on in Ahmednagar, Maharashtra. I am commentator Atharv Shilke, who is 15 years old. I am studying in 7th standard. We saw Akash Pikalmunde doing that high jump, and last player is remaining of Kerala. Kerala near all out. Mohammad Mansoori in raid. Can he revive at least one player? Because one revival can help their team. If any one of the player is revived, then super tackle situation will be on. But with that being said, team is all outed. Vidarbha having, they had 8 points, Kerala had 6 points, but right now they would get 2 extra points for all out, which would add up the score to 11 and 7 points for Kerala. For viewers' information, Kerala has won 1 match and lost 1 match out of 2 matches, and Vidarbha has won 1 match and lost 1 match in their 2 matches. So this match can tell what is going to be happening. But right now Vidarbha is in lead with 11 points scored, 7 points for Kerala, a mild lead of 4 points. Can we see any more raid points by Javed Khan of Vidarbha? If he is able to take, then it would be really nice.
17वी राष्ट्रीय पुरुष गट राष्ट्रीय अजिंक्यपद कबड्डी स्पर्धा अहमदनगर येथे संपन्न होते आणि आपण पाहता ही राष्ट्रीय कबड्डी स्पर्धा. या कबड्डी स्पर्धेमध्ये आपण पाहताय तो केरळ आणि विदर्भाचा सामना. विदर्भ हा 12 गुण घेऊन लीडवरती आहे. केरळाचे आहेत 7 गुण. केरळ या ठिकाणी चढाई करतोय. केरळचा खेळाडू मोहम्मद, आणि यावेळेस मात्र विदर्भाचे खेळाडू चुकलेत. दोघांकडून अनसक्सेसफुल टॅकल झाले आणि केरळच्या खेळाडूला 2 गुण भेटत आहेत अतिरिक्त. काय सांगशील अथर्व, बोल.
That was of course and really good trade by Mohammad, but Vidarbha is also having those defensive players, but we were unable to see that successful tackles. That's why they lost 2 points. Right now the lead is of only 3 points. Abhishek Nimbalkar in raid for his team did not score any of the point, and this was also an empty raid by him. First half is going on between the match of Kerala and Vidarbha. Which team will win? That is going to be harder to expect, because forecasting is really hard over here, because both the teams are really tough players. They have tough players. That try for back kick, is he dashed out? Yeah, that is dash, beautiful dash by the team of Vidarbha.
हा होता विदर्भाचा तडका. तुम्ही आम्हाला पाय दाखवला तर तुमचा पाय नाही, तुम्हाला पूर्णपणे आम्ही बाहेर फेकू. हे काम केलं विदर्भाच्या टीमने आणि आता चढाई करतोय आकाश पिकलमुंडे. विदर्भाचा तडका म्हणून ओळखला जातोय. सुंदर अशी चढाई करतोय आकाश पिकलमुंडे, सिनियर खेळाडू विदर्भ संघातील एक अतिशय चांगला चढाईपटू. आपल्या संघासाठी नक्कीच चांगली कामगिरी करताना दिसतोय. आतापर्यंत झालेल्या सामन्यांमध्ये आकाश पिकलमुंडेची कामगिरी अतिशय चांगली राहिलेली आहे. मला सांगायला एक आनंद वाटेल, कालच जम्मू काश्मीरसोबत विदर्भाचा सामना सुरू होता आणि 27-29 अशी गुणस्थिती होती. त्यावेळेस आकाश पिकलमुंडे हा एकमेव खेळाडू उरला होता, आणि जर तो आऊट झाला असता तर जम्मू काश्मीर आणि विदर्भ हा सामना इक्वल झाला असता. परंतु आकाशने नक्कीच समयसूचकता दाखवून 1 गुण आणला आणि आपला संघ विजयी केला. तो बोनस प्लस 1 गुण घेतला होता आकाश पिकलमुंडेने. आपल्या संघाला जम्मू काश्मीरसोबत विजय प्राप्त करून दिला होता. यावेळेस मात्र डबल थाय होल्ड करायला चुकलेले नाही ते केरळाचे खेळाडू.
Thank you. Abhishek Nimbalkar was in raid, and that was a do or die raid, by the way. If he could have taken at least a bonus point, then he was declared safe. But he what discussion are the umpires doing? Is any player before tackle, before catching the raider, is it out of bound, touch the lobby? Then the tackle would be declared unsuccessful. Raider would be declared successful. That time it is extremely hard for the team of Kerala, as they are not in the lead, they are backside. Raider is declared out. Yeah, no problem. Successful tackle. Abhishek Nimbalkar did not had scored any of the point in the last raid and was out at 0 points. Out of the he is sitting outside the court for more than 2 to 3 minutes right now. What you would like to say about it?
नक्कीच अतिशय रोमांचक चाललेला हा सामना आहे. दोन्ही संघ एक सामना जिंकलेले आहेत त्यांच्या गटामध्ये. यूपी, जम्मू काश्मीर, विदर्भ आणि केरळ हे जी गटामध्ये आहेत त्यांच्या गटामध्ये दोन्ही संघ एक सामना जिंकलेला आहे. हा सामना मात्र दोन्ही संघासाठी प्रतिष्ठेचा असणार आहे. विदर्भ संघाचा खेळाडू आकाश पिकल मुंडे चढाई करतोय आपल्या संघासाठी. 7 गडी केरळाचे मैदानात. नक्कीच आकाशसाठी बोनस ऑन असेल, गुण घेण्याचा प्रयत्न करतोय. डाव्या बाजूने चढाई करतोय आकाश पिकल मुंडे. यावेळेस मात्र शांत संयमी चढाई करून पुन्हा एकदा परतले आपल्या कोर्टमध्ये आकाश पिकल मुंडे.
I would like to talk about the climate of both the cities, like both the states. Vidarbha is having a hot climate, by the way, extremely hot climate. But Kerala has a humid climate as it is situated near coastline. That's why it has a humid climate, and that also impacts the players' like mindset also, as well as the players' playing skills. Like skills are really different. If Vidarbha's player are playing for like bonuses, back kicks, then Kerala's team would try for any other thing like running hand touches, and that are every state has their specialty. Like you would be able to see bonuses player like we saw in Jharkhand, or all those players like extremely good footwork. If there's a player who takes bonus, then it is known as an extremely great footwork having player. Right now timeout is taken by Vidarbha. 13 points for Vidarbha and 12 points for Kerala. Only 1 point lead. First half is going on. First time out is taken by Vidarbha. Can we see any type of like a couple point raid by Vidarbha, or would we be able to see them go near all out? What type of condition would they handle right now? Would they be able to get points in raiding, or would they be able to get points in defending? What type of mentality are they having? I don't really know, as they are playing in ground. I would ask them off ground anytime I would meet them. Right now Kaushik in raid already have scored 2 successful raid points for his team. I guess it would be a third raid, that's why he did that empty raid, and of course it's a do or die raid. In this raid the raider needs to score a point, whether it can be a bonus point, it can be a touch point. Right now Akash Pikal Munde was in raid. He usually does raid in left corner. With that being said, he tried to go towards the right corner, rush towards it, and that a little mistake. And sometimes greed is not necessary. When there's a do or die raid, you must sit like be patient. You should show your patience. Right now 12 points for Kerala, 14 points for Vidarbha. Adarsh in raid for his team. Can he take a point? 5 players were there. Bonus was not on. With that being said, he got tackled. One team showed patience, which was of Vidarbha. That's why they got that point on that do or die raid, which was for Kerala. But when Akash Pikal Munde was there for Vidarbha, at that time they were unable to tackle him. That was in back-to-back two do or die raids that are rarely seen in these matches of Kabaddi.
यावेळेस समोरच्या संघाला चकवलंय आणि एक गुण घेण्यात मात्र यशस्वी झालाय तो जावेद पठाण. आपल्या विदर्भ संघासाठी अतिशय चांगली चढाई केली. जावेद खान, माझ्याकडे नाव आलं होतं ते जावेद पठाण असं आलं होतं, परंतु त्याचं नाव जावेद खान आहे. अतिशय सुंदर सामना या ठिकाणी प्रेक्षकांना पाहायला मिळतोय. गुणस्थिती आहे विदर्भ 16 आणि केरळा 12. 4 गुणांची लीड या ठिकाणी आहे विदर्भ संघाकडे. दोन्ही संघासाठी अटीतटीचा सामना म्हणावा लागेल, कारण दोन्ही संघ आपल्या ग्रुपमध्ये एक सामना जिंकलेला आहे आणि हा सामना मात्र जिंकावाच लागेल कुठल्याही परिस्थितीमध्ये. आणि आपण मैदानाच्या मध्ये पाहत असाल तर नक्कीच या सामन्यांमधून जे की भारतीय संघ निवडले जाणार आहे त्याचे निवड समितीचे श्री अशोकजी शिंदे, मनप्रीत सिंग, रणधीर सेरावत हे पूर्णपणे खेळाडूंना निहाळताना दिसत आहेत. या दोन्ही संघाकडे त्यांचं बारीक लक्ष नक्कीच आहे.
Yeah, of course, the Indian team shall be strong. That's why they are choosing players. Like there are almost 360 players over here. 360 players. That's a huge number. Out of which they are going to select 12. That number might shock you. Right now, here are Manpreet Singh, sorry, I slipped my tongue, that's why, and Randhir Sehrawat. Those two men are standing in the middle of the ground to select the Indian team. Right now, Javed Khan in raid for his team. Can he be tackled by the team of Kerala? Super tackle situation on for Kerala. One extra point can be taken in this tackle if the tackle is successful. Usually trying to get point in the left corner. Almost both of them, like Javed Khan and Akash Pikalmunde, both of them are trying to get point in the left corner, then going towards the right corner. That is their usual strategy, I guess. Kaushik in raid for his team. Can he get any of the point? Trying to get a point in the right corner, trying to get the bonus. Bonus is given. As I said, usually the players which take bonus, they are really great in footwork.
जेव्हा समोरच्या संघाचे काही गडी शिल्लक असतात 1-2, तेव्हा मात्र बोनस देऊन त्याला वापस पाठवले जातं आणि मी सहज जाऊन त्यांचा गडी बाद करू शकतो, ही मानसिकता असते आणि तीच मानसिकतेने खेळताना दिसतोय विदर्भाचा संघ. आकाश आपल्या संघासाठी चढाई करतोय. 2 शिलेदार केरळचे शिल्लक. यावेळेस मात्र आकाशने कुठलाही गुण न घेता वापस आपल्या कोर्टमध्ये आला आहे. केरळ संघाचा हा खेळाडू अतिशय दमट वातावरणामध्ये परंतु खेळाची आवड जोपासणारा केरळचा संघ, जो की समुद्र किनाऱ्यावरती येतो आणि उष्णकटिबंधात असलेला हा आमचा विदर्भ संघ. यावेळेस मात्र कुठली चूक नाही आणि सहज अलगदरीत्या दोघा जणांनी जसं जाळ्यात अडकावं तसा अडकवला आहे. अब्दुल याने आणि जावेद याने, अब्दुल आणि जावेद दोघांची जोडी यावेळेस मात्र काम करून गेली आहे आणि गड्याला पकडण्यात, परंतु लॉबी टच झाल्यामुळे 1 पॉईंट ईच दोघांना दिले. यावेळेस मात्र पाहण्यासारखी परिस्थिती आहे. डू ऑर डाय रेड आहे. 2 गडी केरळाचे. जर पकडलं तर केरळला एक अतिरिक्त गुण मिळू शकतो आणि आकाशला तर गुण घेतल्याशिवाय वापस येणं अपक्रम प्राप्त आहे. यावेळेस मात्र अतिशय सुंदर चढाई आणि 2+2 असे 4 गुण घेण्यात यशस्वी झाला आहे आकाश पिकलमुंडे. विदर्भाची शान, अतिशय चांगला खेळाडू आपल्या संघासाठी खेळताना दिसतोय. नावाजलेला खेळाडू आकाश पिकलमुंडे.